water because it may.
Or maybe if there's no water, I will win. What level are you? I'm at 346. I don't do puzzle, but yes, but you do lessons. Why? I need to do warranty. How many games have you played yesterday or just you're playing chess? Where? I haven't played chess. I tell you how many games I played yesterday. Yes. How much points? I tell you why I like. This is why I like playing chess because I get stars. Huh? Stars. We normally do this. Yeah. Let us. We can come one star. You know I normally do that. You also do puzzle, right?
Hello guys.
Hello.
Hello. Are you excited for the last round?
Yeah.
You excited for the last round? Huh? Oh, you are? Hey. Okay. Nice. Nice. Kuna mtu sija high five? Okay. Yeah. So you guys are ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So what's your rating? Why?
Anna.
Let's see who's the best.
Ella. What's your name? Yes.
All the best. All the best. I'll be the champion.
Sana.
I'll go higher.
Gina.
No, let's see. We'll see. But I hope you win. I hope you be number 2 and then number 3, or you never be number 2 or number 3. But it's a bit cute. Or you can be number 1 and number 2, number 2. I hope I get it wrong. I hope. You know what?